Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. It's fun art time, and today we're going to be telling Mom that we're so glad to be your kid. So let's get started. To draw this beautiful flower for Mom, let's first start by drawing the center of our orchid. So I'm going to start right here with a little, kind of like an ovalish shape. There's a curve, and then, actually, you know what? Let's make it come to a point. So like an upside down teardrop. There. Something like that, and then from there we're going to go around it and say about right here I'm going to draw a curve, and right here draw another curve, and then we're just going to go ahead and wobble it twice and connect, so like a little M in there for Mom. And then we're going to go around right about here. Let's go around, should thicken that up, and same thing here. And thicken that up. Then from there, one more step. So we're going to come out at an angle, and then round this off, and then connect it with a curve. Same thing here. There. So now that we have this shape in here, now we can go ahead and draw the petals. So I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to say the center of this part right here. I'm going to go out with a curve, and I'll just work on this petal first, and we're going to come right back to here. So let's go out and then around. Nice full petal. And bring it all the way back to there. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So about here, I'm just going to try my best to follow the other side. So about there. And once again, we're going to draw it and bring it all the way back to here. So kind of like two big ears on both sides. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, the hardest part is done. Now we just need to fill in the top part right here. And so on this side, we're just going to go ahead and draw one petal, round this part off, and bring it down. So a little bit sharper, but round still. There. And then two more. Find your center about right here. And we're just going to loop one petal coming down here, and same thing. Make it a little bit rounder, and same thing on the other side. There, all done. Okay, and then right about here, I'm just going to add some details. Little lines just to give it some more texture, and maybe one here. There. And that is the hardest part of this drawing, hopefully. So now that we have this beautiful orchid in, we're going to come down, and I don't really have a lot of vertical space, but if you're drawing and you have a lot of space, you can put the pot as low as you want and make a really long stem. But since I don't really have that much space, I'm just going to say about right here. I'm just going to start right here under my orchid, and I'm just going to draw my pot. So I'm just going to go straight across, right underneath. So I'm putting my orchid right in the center. So about right there, something like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw my pot. So just a very simple round pot. So I'm going to bring this down, and I'm not going to make my pot very long, tall either. So same thing here, and I'll just round off the corners and connect it straight across, and same thing here. So I can't wait to see your fan art, to see what you come up with, and this is just meant to inspire you, hopefully. Okay, so now that we have this very basic pot in, let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a stem. So I'm going to offset this stem, say about right here. I'm just going to start and bring it down. Oh, actually, you know what? Before I do that, I'm going to come right here, sorry, and I'm just going to wobble maybe a little bit higher on this side. kind of like some moss or rocks or whatever, you know, the stuff that they put in orchids, orchid pots. And then from there, we can go ahead and draw our stem. So let's stay about right here. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a curve so it's not so stiff, and then I'll thicken it up. There. Okay, so we got one stem in. Now our orchid is held in place. Then we can draw some leaves to spruce it up. So I'll say about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop in this really long, big leaf and bring it in. There, and then another one, smaller one, right here. Give it a little bit curve and tuck it in, and one more. Go right here and bring it in. There. Okay, and then if you like, you can end it like this, but if you want to spruce it up even more, you can come to the top right here and just imagine this is curving out, and about right here, we're going to pop it back out. Try to be as delicate as I can, and I'm just going to curve right here for more of these little orchids. And now the tip right here, I'm going to round it off, put in a bud. So it's fatter at the bottom and slimmer at the top. And maybe just 2 more. And one about right here. There. And you can add some lines right here to spruce them up. There. And then last but not least, let's bring this to life for mom and make it extra cute. So if you want to do that, come about right here and we're going to put in some Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm drawing one big circle right here in my pot. And I'm going to come right across about right here. And now that I have my 2 circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, and then let's draw a curve above each eye. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a sweet smile. So just a curve going up and cap it off. And then from there, let's add, make it extra sweet. So I'm going to come right here and here on the other side. And I'm going to draw some hands. Haven't done this for a while. So I'm going to come to about right there. And same thing here. Just to tell mom how sweet she is. So before we connect them, let's come right here and we're just going to draw these hands to make it into a heart shape. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this beautiful orchid to tell mom that you're so glad. Well, actually, you have to say, Mom, I'm so glad to be your kid. So that's the fun art for today. And I really hope you love it and that it brings a smile to your day. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.